Okay, I am being attacked on my Universe 7 account. The fleet is 9 ships. I'm assuming it's going to be 5 cruisers, 4 large cargo. Well, for starters, what you do is you take a picture or a screenshot. I would do it on the exact second. Okay. Then add them together. Well, paste it. Add the 2 times together. So 740.01, 5530. Alright, 7. Which is his attack time, and we'll get okay. Now remember, since this is time, that number will be a 6 instead of a 10. I know it's thrown some people off in the past, so 9:35:31 is the time that his attack will hit. So what we do is go to fleet. Now this was an incoming fleet that came in before his probes came. He doesn't know about the cruisers, so I'm going to send that to my other planet. See whichever one would be best. Okay, we're going to end up sending the transport mission at 70%. We have to wait about 10 minutes for the arrival time to match his fleet attack time. That way we actually get the fleet there before his attack actually hits. Now if you're being attacked and you're in our Phalanx range, what you need to do is you need to deploy to a planet that's outside their Phalanx range. Usually deploying to another galaxy in another solar system's good, and then you recall it. You just time it up before they hit and return it. So anyway, I'm going to pause the video until about the time I send the fleet on transport. Well, I was going to put my fleet behind his at 70%, or in front of his at 70%, but it didn't work out. Stupid O game. So I'll try 80%. No, I'm not sure if I pointed this out earlier. I did recall one of my attacking fleets, because I really don't know what his tech or what his combat techs are, and I don't have a definite number of what his fleet's going to be. I'm assuming it's 5 and 4 on that, or 5 cruisers, 4 large cargo, and then 3 cruisers, 2 large cargo. So that's why I recalled that second fleet. Now this is a starter count. I started it about a week ago, so Tuesday to be exact. So we'll see how this ninja goes. Okay, it's about a minute away from when I have to send my fleet, so I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to send it to the other colony in the solar system. Okay, now the time that I need to be ahead of is 9:35:31. Yeah, I'm still a minute behind. So go ahead and go to the next screen, transport. Then wait the rest of the 40 seconds. Okay, now when you send your fleet, you always want to do it like 2 to 3 seconds ahead of his time. The reason why is because sometimes there's a lag, and it might end up coming behind it. It all depends on your internet connection, really. So I'm probably going to send it about 27 or 28 after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. Alright. Now, remember how I said that there was a lag? That's the lag that I was talking about. I sent about 3 seconds ahead. My fleet is timed to his fleet. So, anyway. Alright, well, I'm going to stop the recording and start it up again. Okay, well, since the attack is going to hit about the same time as my transport returning, normally OGame glitches out when things happen on the same second. So what I'm going to do is, right before my fleet hits the other planet for the transport mission, I'm going to recall. So in about 33 minutes exactly, I'm going to recall, and what that will do is bring back my fleet 5 seconds earlier, and everything should be good as far as that goes. Anyway, I'm stopping the recording until that point. Okay, the attack has about 20 minutes left. That fleet that's going to drop at 8 minutes, I'm going to probably do the same type of thing. I'll send it to one of my other planets and recall it so it's ahead of the fleet attacking. But other than that, everything's looking good. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video until probably about a minute until the attack hits. Okay, since I ran out of time on the recording, I'm just going to show the results of the ninja. The attacker didn't fleet slow or safety probe or anything, but I ended up winning that battle, and then the second one I've won as well. I just put it in the video shot. So, anyway, all he took out was a probe and then rocket launchers on both hits. So, yeah, that's how you do a ninja. Or one way of doing it. I'll show different ways